Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preheating the Blackstone to medium-high. Aim for about 400 degrees F so food hits the griddle hot and sears. While it heats, slice protein thin and vegetables uniform for even cook time. Once done, oil your protein with 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon salt, and a light dusting of cornstarch if you want a crust. This helps carry sauce later. Make sure to clear one side of the griddle so you can work in stages. You sear protein on the hot Blackstone until it gets a brown crust, then push it to a cooler zone to finish. Next, cook vegetables in batches so the griddle stays hot. Crowding cools the surface and steams instead of chars. Once veg are nearly done, deglaze the searing area with a 1/4 cup of your soy sauce mixture to lift fond and flavor. Add aromatics like garlic and ginger, then combine everything and pour sauce to coat. This binds. You finish by tossing protein and vegetables together over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes so the sauce clings and the temp evens out. Taste and adjust. A splash of acid, a pinch of sugar, or extra salt can bring balance. If the sauce reduces too quickly and burns, make sure to lower the heat and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or stock. This rescues texture and prevents bitterness. Serve promptly so crisp edges stay crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.